to get this new Photostrip feature on Instagram. First, open your Play or App Store and update your Instagram to latest version. I have already updated my Instagram to latest version. So after updating, open your Instagram. Now go to your story and add any background. I'm just adding the Instagram black background. Now after this, go to your stickers, and here you will find the option of Photostrip, and if you don't have this option, don't worry, you will get in coming days, as it just in the trial phase, so if you have this, just tap on Photostrip. Now add 1 or 4 photos. You can't add more than 4, so after adding your photos, tap on Next. After clicking on Next, you will get an option to add caption. So if you want to add, you can write, and if you don't want, you can skip to by clicking on Done. So after this, click on your photo to get different effects. You can also adjust and place however you want. You can also do this with 3 photos, 2 photos, and can also do with 1 photo. So that's how you do this. Now just click on your story to upload your story, and you are done.